How are you? Chef Ivan Flowers, and today we're doing a very interesting dish, mussels in a blue cheese sauce. Now I love blue cheese and I love mussels, so this should be a very interesting dish. We're going to balance it out with some other components, and I'm also going to show you how to build some levels of flavor in this. So mussels and blue cheese, here we go. Saute pan, I'm going to go in with a little bit of olive oil. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to render pancetta, which is like an Italian bacon, it's just not smoked. Medium heat, and that fat is going to start to immediately render out. I'm going to take my heat down a bit. Now I'm going to go in with some shallots. Nice sweet shallots. We've got a little font on the bottom, which means on the bottom, a little caramelization. I want to bring that up. So I'm going to go in with the Sauvignon Blanc, which is the wine that I would drink with this dish. Come up a little bit. Heavy cream. Base of your sauce. Very, very simple. Nice blue cheese. This is a Maytag Blue. Putting in probably about half a cup, maybe a little less. And that's going to start to diffuse through this sauce. Now as that's working and breaking down, and most of it will dissolve, you'll have a couple of blue veins, a little bit of a chunk, and that's fine. Why don't I go with my mussels? These are black PEI mussels. You want to make sure you take the beards off right before you cook them. It's like a little shave. You want to make sure they're closed. In they go. No beards, nice and closed. If they're open, tap them. If they don't close, don't use them. So you see, we've come up to a bit of a boil. Mussels are going in. So as you can see, our mussels opened up. It took maybe a minute, minute and a half. And I've got some nice tomato concasseo, some nice chopped up tomatoes that I want to put in for a little contrast and a little color. It works. It's a simple dish. Enjoy it.